Good evening. Sorry for the noise in the background because I'm here for washing my bike. And this is the best time to talk about the details because the bike will clean and थोड़ा clean रहता है तो अच्छा लगता है and it is getting washed. So once the washing is done, I'll take you through the basic customizations that are done and how it is performing and why do I need to go with this kind of customizations for something like GT, which is a cafe racer. So there are many people talking about the customizations. So this is a seat that you can see. So I have got this seat basically customized because of touring. So this is something that supports me in touring, and how I'll get into that once the washing is done. I'll go through the details. So guys, while the washing is on, let me try and give you my 2 cents about the bike and the customizations that I have done to my taste to make myself comfortable while I'm on my ride. So you can see the seat is removed because the water actually sips inside the seat. That's why I've removed the seat. So this is the footpack from Adventure Tribe, and this is a backrest from Zana. This is the you can say the engine guard or the leg guard again from Zana. So the extension that helps me in highway ride. This is the Mad Dog Scout and Scout X, the aux lamps, and the major one is the handlebar. This is a JB Racing riser, which is almost a 2 riser, and all the wires are stock. I need not to change any wire. So this is the USB connector or the charger, and these are two Mad Dog switches that I use for the aux lamp, and this one is like it works also as a passer when half pressed. So you can see the washing is already on, and this is how it looks like. I'm really comfortable with the bike as of now. I need to put on the bar end weights also so as to complete it. So I'll try and I mean I need to check which one suits because the stock one doesn't fit. So this is a Pirelli MT60. This is 110 8018 profile, and my rear tire from Metzola. So you can see 150, 70, and 18. Karu Street, Metzola Karu Street. I'm really happy with this tire. It gives me a lot of stability when I'm on the highway, apart from on the broken road. So you can see Metzeler. So this is a tubeless tire and tubeless setup in both front and the back, as I've converted my rim from tube type to tubeless. So guys, this is the riser from the JB Racing, and the nuts to fit or mount it on the T plate doesn't come along. So this is the nut that you need to buy, and it doesn't come along with this riser, which I think they should have provided this. But anyways, this is a handlebar that I got from Himalayan, and for me it is like really very comfortable. I was thinking once of putting AOM handlebar. So this is, you can see it is you can see you half press it, and there's a the light blinks. So this works as a passer, and I think it's a great addition when you're traveling in the night. And this handlebar now give me a lot of space to put different stuff. Just kidding. So I'm really happy with this setup right now, and it's like perfect for touring. The seat, the handlebar, and together putting up the ergonomics the right way to travel. And I'm getting ready. I'm quite excited about my December ride, so I'm just waiting for it. So there are not much things that I need to do. Only changing the the engine oil filter, the air filter. That's all. So rest, it looks like the bike is ready. Initially, I was thinking of changing my footrest also, as in the rider, in both side. But now it looks like I'm quite happy with the setup that I have right now. So I'll try and make one small trip around to taste, and I'll keep you posted. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, uh, just don't mind putting it in the comment box.